Are you feeling imbalanced due to anxiety, depression or uncertainty? Looking for a medication which has no side effects and is also natural? Introducing Bach Flower Remedies, available with 38 flower essences that will restore emotional balance and peace. We will first explore the history and philosophy behind the invention of Bach Flower Remedies. Besides, you will know the difference between homeopathy and flower essence remedies. Then, you will also learn the connection between traditional Chinese medicine and Bach remedies. Next, you will learn about Bach's healing theory and how flowers help people recover from mental illness. Furthermore, this course will provide the key steps of using Bach flower remedies. Then, you will explore different Bach remedies according to the 7 emotional imbalances that will give the patient relief and peace. Moreover, after completing the course, you will know how to treat your pet emotionally by healing with flower essence preparation and technique. Finally, we will explore some of the case studies, which prove that remedies are safe and effective when taken with proper guidance from a healthcare provider. Bach flower remedies are natural and safe. They will cure your physical problems by driving away all negative emotions. So, without wasting time, enroll now and learn more about Bach flower remedies.